Intake raw water system. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. Intake raw water system. This system begins with the intake pump house, where the intake pumps are located. This pump house is situated on either a river bank or canal bank or sea coast. This diagram shows top view of intake pump house with 4 bay. These are the pumps, these are gates, these are screens, this is the 4 bay, this is the trash rack. The water flows in the direction as shown. This is the sectional view of intake pump house with 4 bay. Water level is shown here. Water flow direction is as shown. This is one of the pumps. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. Water from the river / canal / sea flows into a 4 bay through a trash rack that catches large floating debris such as carcass, logs, framework of ships, etc. The 4 bay leads water to individual pump suction basin through travelling water screen and inlet gate. This is the pump suction basin. This is the inlet gate and this is the travelling water screen. Floating and suspended debris from water that passed through the trash rack are caught in the travelling water screen. Clogged screens are then washed with high pressure water jets, with the wash water supplied by screen wash pumps that also receive suction from the 4 bay. Each pump is provided with an isolation gate to facilitate maintenance of the pump. From the forebay, each intake pump receives its suction and then discharges raw water to either raw water storage tank or raw water reservoir for storing. Depending on the configuration of the plant, water storage and supply system, raw water from this storage tank or reservoir may be distributed as service water to different users, that is, fire water storage tank as makeup to cooling tower or water pre-treatment plant for clarification and further treatment of water. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है।